Hello guys, magandang araw sa atin. So kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, ang channel ko ay naglalahad tayo ng mga app review, minsan din ay nagsishare tayo ng mga encouragement thoughts, minsan din may vlog tayong iba na ginagawa. So ngayong araw na to guys, ang gagawin ko is gagawa ako ng review sa isang app na kung saan magagamit mo kung gusto mong mag-aral ng piano. So, ang app na to guys, ito ang Yousician na app. So, ang Yousician na app, if you want to learn how to play basic of piano, you can download this app. And also, if you want to use the full version of this app, you can subscribe to their application. So, ito yun guys. Ito. Ilalagay ko dito para maganda kasi ito. So, ito, piano. So, ito guys. So, pwede babalik muna natin. So, sa simula guys, there we have an introduction video. We also have welcome to Yousician Piano. So, dito tayo sa introduction. Tingnan natin introduction niya guys.
We're surrounded by music everywhere we go. Learning to play music can be one of the most empowering ways to express your emotions. And you have the ability to unleash your musical imagination with the piano. Welcome to Piano by Yousician, where you'll discover new skills to set your feelings free. My name is Sunny, and I'm excited to be on this journey with you.
So, that is
Let's play.
Introduction. So dito sa pangalawa, he will ask you a question if what piano do you want to use. If you have your piano, then you can use your piano. But if you don't have the piano, then dito tayo sa no. So meron siya dito.
We'd like to offer you a free Premium Plus trial. You'll unlock popular songs and get unlimited lesson time on all instruments. So go ahead and give it a try.
So 1 week free trial ang binigay sa atin. So let's click later. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin is dito tayo sa C position. Welcome to piano muna.
How much do you think it costs to get high-quality music education? Thousands of dollars? Hundreds? Yousician makes music education affordable for anyone. So unlock Yousician Premium today and become the musician you always wanted to be.
So maganda to guys, kaya gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, kung gusto mong maging mas magaling pa, mas ma-develop pa yung pag-aaral mo ng piano, you can subscribe to them. Or kung gusto mo lang, if you want to try, then you can have 1 week free trial. So later. So this is the first thing.
Welcome to Yousician Piano. Here's a quick guide to get you start playing with Yousician.
So may guide sila.
Each exercise begins with a moving screen.
You can choose how you want to view your notes. Enhanced notation,
Or standard notation. We'll teach you the skills you need to play your favorite songs.
you'll start learning the first song in the next task.
Are you ready?
Let's play.
So let's start to the C position. So C position. This is the first workout. So dito tayo sa C, sa simula.
Okay, let's play our first note, starting with note C. Note C is the key near the center of the piano that is just to the left.
So ito guys, merong ano dito. If you want to use what kind of notation, kung hindi ka sanay sa nota yung gamitin mo guys, ito yung colored note. Kung hindi ka sanay, dito ka sa enhance. Kaya itong may letter C.
Of two black keys.
Enhance.
Play C with your right hand thumb when the ball touches the
Yung
note.
ginagamit ngayon is ito na yung mga notes. So good.
Great,
Hindi ko siya
let's do that
natry.
again. When the ball touches the note.
3, 4, go. Yun, perfect.
Now, place your index.
Listen. Yousician. So,
Now, place your index finger on note D,
if you want
which
to
is the
learn
next
about
note
music,
to the right.
guys, you need to
Let's play.
listen to the beat. Pang. Play the note. Yun.
Great.
Yun, but yun.
Let's do that again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So 1,
Now
2,
play
3,
these notes
4,
in order.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Ganun, guys.
Now let's place your middle finger.
Know how to listen to the rhythm of this music or to the beat of the music, guys. So that if you know how to listen to the beat, you can
Now let's place your middle finger on note E, which is the next note to the right. Let's play.
2, 3, 4, 1. Okay? Ipipindot ko pa pala.
Place your ring finger
So, gamit ko. So, C position. F.
Place your ring finger on note F, which is the next note to the right. Let's play.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Finally,
Practice pa pala yun, guys.
Well done. That was a great session. Your free lesson time for today is over, but we will give you another free lesson tomorrow. If you want to advance faster and get unlimited lesson time, check out Yousician Premium.
Oh, gusto niya talaga na bilisan natin. So, next part tayo, next part.
Well done. That was
Ano yun? So, tingnan natin itong ano pa. The ball in the air. So, ito, try muna natin.
well done. That was
Continue. Oh, unlock all songs. So, iba-iba pala yung ibibigay nilang song sa'yo. Blue Danube. So, ang hirap pindutin niya, guys.
well done. That was a great session. Your free lesson time for today is over, but we will give you another free lesson tomorrow. If you want to advance faster and get unlimited lesson time, check out Yousician Premium. Well done.
So, yun. So, that ends the lesson daw for today's music. So, guys, sabi niya, tomorrow na naman siya magbibigay ng another songs kasi free trial lang yung gamit natin kaya hindi unlimited yung pag-aaral din natin dito sa Yousician na app. So, yun guys. I hope you learn something about this app and also I'm thanking you. Napasalamatan ko kayo guys for subscribing me, for watching this video, for this app review. So maganda siya guys. Kung you want to learn piano, pwede mo tong gamitin ang Yousician app. Pwede kang mag-subscribe dito. So guys, thank you for watching and I hope you gain something about this review and I hope your passion to music will more go broaden up or go in a next level. So thank you guys. God bless, and please do not forget to subscribe and share this video on about this Yousician app review. So thank you and God bless. Bye bye.